Hi, boys and girls. We're going to continue with our number bonds and subtraction. You guys are getting so good at this. It makes me very, very happy. I'm really impressed. So, this time what I'm going to do is I am going to write an equation. Okay, you don't have to do anything right now. If I write this equation on the board, 5 take away 3 equals, did you say 2? You did it without my even talking about it. 5 take away 3 equals 2. I need to figure out how to fit that into a number bond. Well, the whole number is the one we start with in subtraction, and that would go here, wouldn't it? That's right. And then we have 2 numbers left. So if we say 5 take away 3 equals 2. Very good. You can see how it would work. But you could write it the other way too, couldn't you? 5 take away 2 equals 3. Let's do it with these magnets. How many magnets are there? I'm going to make it like a 5 card. There it is. 5. So let's do it. 5 take away 3 equals 2. Did it work? Yes. Now we're going to go back. Start again with our 5. This time it says 5 take away 2 equals 3. Did it work? It did. It's kind of amazing. This same number bond can be used for addition and subtraction. It has the same numbers. Okay, let's try a new one. Now, if you have your number bond really close to you, or if you want to draw one on your whiteboard, you can do this with me. This time, I'm going to start with only 4 magnets, sorry. So, my equation is going to be take away equals 2. Sorry, I got that in my way. 4 take away 2 equals 2. Does that equation work? Let's see, we have 4. We take away 2. How many are left? 2, that's right. So how would you place it in your number bond? If you have your number bond there, try it, because that's what's going to help, and you can always pause the video. So what's the whole number? The biggest number is the whole number, and 4 does go there. And the other 2 numbers that make 4 are 2 and 2. Did you get that one? Fantastic. Let's try another one together. This time I'm going to borrow one of my magnets here. Let's see. So now, wow, how many magnets are we using? Yeah, it looks just like a 6 card, doesn't it? Maybe I'll put this one here. Now watch. What if I do this? Whoops, 3 on this side. Woo, they're sticking together. And 3 on this side and 1 in the middle. What's the number now? That's right, it is the number 7. So we'll do a 7 equation. 7 take away 2 equals. Well, we know the 7 will go here. Yeah, I didn't put the answer, did I? And what are the 2 numbers that make 7? Well, we know one of them is the number 2. So let's do it. 7 take away 2. Do you see the answer? That's right, it equals 5. So to finish the number bond, you're going to put a 5 there. I hope you feel really smart, because I am amazed. Now today you're going to be working on page 67 and 68 in your book. Look at this. Cross out one hat. So you're going to make an X through one of them. We started with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, that's what it says. 6 was the big number. So if we cross out 1, that means what? Take away 1. 1. And what does it equal? 5. Right, because 6 take away 1 equals 5. So here it says to cross out, it's hard to see the snowflakes, cross out 5 snowflakes. And down here, it's going to tell you to cross out 2 snowflakes. a parent could read that to you, and you're going to already have the equation. You just have to fill in the number bond. Look what they did with those number bonds. They spun them all around. That won't trick you, will it? And then on the back, they're going to have you read. Anthony had 5 erasers in his pencil box. That's not an easy sentence. You will need an adult to help with most of those words. He dropped his pencil box and 4 erasers fell on the floor. How many erasers are in Anthony's pencil box now? Draw the erasers and fill in the number sentence. If it were me, I would have to have somebody read that to me 2 or 3 times to draw it. But then, 5 take away 4 equals, you probably know the answer before you even draw it. And down here, oh, they didn't give you any numbers. I think you'll be in for a challenge. You can do it though, right? I know you can. So let's talk about subtraction. Remember when we used to say that one more was like counting up? Like if I say 5 plus 1 equals 6. You could do big numbers too. 15 plus 1 equals 16. 25 plus 1 equals 26. 107 plus 1 equals 108. You could do that. Well, takeaway is the opposite. You have to go backwards. So if I said 5 take away 1 equals 4. See, 4 comes before 5. 10 take away 1, 9, right. 22 take away 1. Did you say 21? Takeaway's harder, and it's harder to practice, but that's why we did our card game. Remember the card game? Do it with me. 9 take away 1 equals 8. 3 take away 1, 2. 1 take away 1, 0. 4 take away 1, 3. Don't count them. Think in your head, what's the number that comes before? If you start to count, you won't be thinking that way. You have to think, when I count, what's the number right before 2? 2 take away 1 equals 1. 4 take away 1 equals 3. Parents, if you find your child is struggling with this, this is great. You could start, like I had said before, by maybe drawing them a number line so they can see it and see how it's going back one. But don't let them use the number line for too long. Children become dependent on it. It's just a way for them to see it to start and then work on the mental math, because the sooner they know it and understand it, even if it takes them a little bit of thinking time, the better off they'll be. If you have time, Happy Numbers is waiting. And oh my, we had some hard workers this week. And I'll tell you what, those people that are in Module 5, pretty soon you're going to find you can do that work. So we're moving right along. See you later, boys and girls.